Life is already so boring.
चलो कुछ फन करते हैं.
Today we are going to play, not play, we are going to ask some he's a 10 but questions. And we have to rate them
Right.
out of 1 to
Out
10
of
scale.
1 to 10, right?
So will you start?
हाँ, sure. He's a 10, but he's your brother's best friend.
So what?
Great.
Um,
He's a 10, but
what
he's
about you?
four
Brothers?
questions. No?
Nee, but we'll both answer no.
He's a 10, but he's your brother's best friend. My brother is like 5 years younger to me. So his friends are also 5 years younger to me.
तुम्हारे कोई cousin जो बड़े हो?
It's fine, I guess. I can date. If that age factor is not there, I can date a guy who's a out of 10, I would say 8. He's a 10, but he's already broken your heart once.
Zero. Zero.
Negative 10. He's a 10, but he's your teacher or coach.
I mean, I don't mind if he's not too old. He should not be 60 years old. So I will give him like a 5 or 6. What
I
about you?
think for me, if he's my teacher or coach, I would say 6. He's a 10, but he's old enough to be your father.
Zero.
I would say 2.
He's a 10, but he's your kidnapper.
I would say 2.
If it's like a 365 days wala case, so it's fun. So maybe 5, I don't know. But Indian kidnappers, so nahi.
Tell me.
Yeah. And 365 days has like 2 parts. He's a 10, but a single dad. 0.
Why? If someone is divorced or separated and is single dad, I would
I
say.
don't want kids.
But those are not your kids, no?
So what? I still don't want to be around kids, at least for now.
I would say 7.
He's a 10, but he's your boss. Totally 10.
Totally 0. I would not want to date.
Okay. He's a 10, but he's related to your ex. Maybe not 2. Maybe 2.
Maybe I would see my connect with that person even if he's like best friend of my ex or whatever. But if my equation is good enough, then I'll give it a try. But I would say 6. He is a 10, but keeps a big secret from you.
No, I think certain secrets he can keep. अगर बहुत बड़ा है तो maybe like a 4. 4.
Negative 2. He's a 10, but uses you to get revenge.
I don't mind.
It depends for me. If अगर like उसके साथ बहुत ही बुरा किया है उसकी ex girlfriend ने तब तो I would be fine. But अगर नहीं किया तो I guess 2.
रिवेंज किसी भी चीज का हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं है एक्स का ही हो.
किस चीज का रिवेंज होता है?
कुछ
लाइक
भी, like-
लुक्स में कि मैंने तो
ऑफिस में कुछ किसी चीज से किसी लोग से रिवेंज लेना हो या
But
कुछ.
then indirectly he's trying to flaunt you, no?
Maybe I don't mind though. Maybe a 6 for me.
I would say secure people don't seek revenge.
मजा तो आता है ना रिवेंज ले. तो साथ में ले लेंगे मजे.
He's a 10, but he's a player.
How come he's a 10 then?
Player in like what sense? Sports player?
If he's a football player, then I don't mind.
Yeah, same here.
No, I think यहाँ पे heart मतलब player like a
Player.
yeah
I
maybe.
would
So maybe
say
0.
Negative 10. He's a 10, but he has a dangerous job.
Well, I have dated few people who were in defense, so I never really had a problem. अगर वो defense में है तो मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. But other than that, I think maybe a 5. अब dangerous job में you can't say कि वो माफिया है, तो फिर तो problem है.
माफिया है तो अच्छी बात है ना. You will be like his princess.
नहीं तो वो 365 days वाला थोड़ी होगा.
वही हो जाएगा.
अगर वो पेटू टाइप कोई निकला तो बुढ़ा निकला तो तब क्या करोगे?
नहीं, but then he is young and then he is a mafia.
But
Like,
then-
he's a gunda.
then we leave it.
ठीक है. I would say if he has a dangerous job, depends on the job, I guess. अगर defense job होगी तो इसे 9. But अगर थोड़ा illegal काम करता है उस वजह से dangerous job है.
तो 0.
नहीं, 0 नहीं. ऐसा नहीं यार. You live in India. ये जुगाड़ में चलता है यहाँ सब कुछ. I would say 4.
He's a 10, but he's a mama's boy.
If he's a mama's boy, I would give him 1. I think as a responsible man, you should know कि तुम्हारी priorities क्या होनी चाहिए. Your priority should be your life partner, then your kids, and then your mom. It's fine to be a mama's boy till you're not married or you don't have a life partner. But at the end of the day, your life partner is someone who's going to be with you in all difficult situations, your parents death, your kids, your lot of difficult part that comes in the later half. So mama's boy is a no for me. I would say 2.
I will give a 0. I don't want a mama's boy. He's a 10, but thinks women should be paid less than how much he is paid.
I think pay should not be gender specified. It should be
बट ही थिंक्स कि ऐसा होना ही चाहिए, मेरी जो बंदी होगी उसका कम नहीं होना चाहिए मुझसे, ऐसा मेंटालिटी
negative
वाला
10.
है। मेरे लिए तो जीरो। यू वांट टू रीड द लास्ट?
He's a 10, but taking care of babies is only
He
women's job.
thinks that.
I think negative 5. He's a 10, but bill should split equally on a day.
I think his thought is, I mean, मेरे लिए तो maybe two.
He wants to split the bill. I would say, even I would say 2. Because, like, we have options. As a women, we have options. We have really masculine men who thinks that it is their responsibility to take care of the girl. I'm not saying that the girl cannot take responsibility of hers, but masculine energy is, maybe I cannot define in words, but it is you take care of your people, you take care of your love, and it's not
I
just
think more than that, it's like a responsibility. ये मेरी बंदी है, मैं क्यों इसको नहीं पैम्पर करूँ, राइट? कि मैं
right.
डेट में जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्यों नहीं देखूँ, मैं क्यों नहीं करूँ इसके लिए, टाइप वो फीलिंग जो जिसमें होती है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है। ऐसा नहीं
And
कि आई कांट गो अलोन आउटसाइड एंड हैव अ ड्रिंक और टू और फूड, सम हैव फूड, नाइस फूड अपने आप, वो तो मैं खुद भी खा सकती हूँ, राइट? बट
And as a secure feminine, I guess whenever see financial problems सबके आते हैं, and your women will realize कि okay this time
yeah,
this person is
he's facing
going
some problem,
financial
yeah.
issues. Let me help him and everything. I guess if everything is normal financially, things are stable. I think it's the guy's responsibility.
I think, yeah, I think so too. So for me, I think it will be a two.
And I once read something. A generous man is generous in any behavior, like in efforts, like in putting, in doing things physically and making things financially possible for you. He will go out and about to see if your life is going easy for you or not. It's not just about money, but money is a way to see if that man is generous or not.
Yeah, I agree. I totally agree that वो जो छोटी छोटी चीजें, little things that he foresees कि ये करने से मेरी बंदी को आसान हो जाएगा लाइफ, या फिर उसको खुशी मिलेगी, ये छोटी छोटी खुशी भी जो he can foresee कि अगर वो खुश होगी तो मैं भी खुश होऊंगा टाइप। तो I think it's a nice thing. I feel nice when I'm pampered. It's not that I won't be pampering my guy. Maybe sometimes I will be too,